Hey all, Will Healy here, and happy Thanksgiving to all my US friends and colleagues, and to the rest of those of you around the world, get back to work. Just kidding. I'm coming to you live from my father's study, of course, because it's a holiday, and he's a world-famous guy in the world of flowers and watering and agriculture. So I'll make sure that there's a link down below to some of his videos so you can check out the study from his angle. But I just read this awesome article this morning written by Lacy on the Advanced Manufacturing Industry Partnership website, AMIP, and Lacy wrote an article called Thank the Manufacturing Workforce This Thanksgiving, and I'll make sure there's a link down below. But Lacy calls out how many industries have to work together to make a holiday possible, and I really liked it. You know, from agriculture and livestock to food and beverage packaging and manufacturers, and then logistics, all to make these holidays possible for us and for us to be able to spend time with our families. According to the US Poultry and Egg Association, Americans eat about 46 million turkeys at Thanksgiving, and that is just startlingly large number of turkeys that have to be processed and grown and handled and shipped and moved around the country so that we can all get our beautiful turkey dinner tonight. So Lacy then calls out just some of the amazing Cincinnati area companies that work hard to make our family meals possible. Brands like 𝗶𝗰𝗆𝗄𝗃 Foods and Bob Evans Farms, Mount Healthy Hatcheries, Hormel Foods, B&G Foods with brands like Green Giant and Crisco, Kraft Heinz with brands like Velveeta and Philadelphia, and Planters and Maxwell House and Classico. She calls out Huhtamaki, the Chinette brand for, paper and plastic cups and plates and those things. The Hubert Company with glasses, they make glasses and dishware and ovenware and cookware and silverware and serving platters and all those kinds of things. And then the Lewark Metal Spinning Company, they make cookware and bakeware and pots and pans, which we use to prep our meals for our families together. And then last but not least, she calls out the Kroger brand, which in Cincinnati is a powerful one, right? Kroger's a manufacturer in the Cincinnati area, as well as all of our grocery stores that we buy our food, but then also they have robotic warehouses that they're putting in. There's one here in the Cincinnati area servicing us, and we love our delivery from the warehouse. Manufacturers are working hard to overcome labor shortages and supply chain issues to make sure that we can have our family dinner at our holiday and we can all be together and have those things that we're hoping for. And so I just want to thank all manufacturers around the world for making that possible. I want to thank the manufacturers in the US especially, and those in the Cincinnati area. Thank you for what you do. And I'm so thankful for all my customers, all my friends, and all my colleagues on this holiday. And until next time, ask yourself, what will I automate next?